Welcome, my name is Jed Norwood, and I'm excited to be able to share with you the second strategy in our 11-part series in the Group Coaching Strategies Overview. We will be talking about finding first and second legs. One of the most powerful tools I use in my trading personally, and have been using it for probably the last 5 years pretty exclusively. So very excited about sharing with you a basic tip, show you two different directions on two different pairs, going long and short, and kind of give you the nuts and bolts about what it really entails and the power behind using the scanner to help you find this setup. Let's get right to it. Alright, I want to share with you the concept of finding the leg 1 and the leg 2. Alright, so on this particular screen right here, I've highlighted two specific points with these two red vertical lines. Okay, they help us determine a couple things. One, when we're using the Norwood filter, when it crosses either direction, that's a heads up to be looking for one other piece of criteria. And if you see this criteria take place, then you know that you're in a potential leg 1. And that is when the Mayo crosses the zero line the same direction as the filter. And that happened to be one bar after the cross of the filter. The good thing about this is you're getting an early heads up to the bigger move that's developing. Okay, so there is a concept that we have to keep in mind when dealing with this. Am I going to trade the leg 1, or am I going to wait and trade the leg 2? Either one of those decisions is fine. You just need to pick and choose which one of those particular steps you want to take are in place. So you can also see that we had a couple of previous moves right in here, over here, and right here. There's three different moves right in here that didn't necessarily qualify to be a leg 1. This one might have been. So you could get a little bit confused. But as I look at it, we had a cross here, and then it crossed over here, and it gave us another head fake or a drop, crossed again. Okay, so that's the test. So this tells me that this particular pattern right now is in a transition, but with a little bit of patience you're going to see something else take place that lets you know that the leg 2 is in play and you can go ahead and trade. So the leg 1 is a little bit trickier to actually get pips in. You can get it, but don't expect a lot. Alright, the next criteria we're going to look for in capturing the leg 2 is after you get that initial cross of the filter and the initial Mayo cross, then you're going to look for a couple of different things. A 4-bar early bird is really what we want to look for. Right here you get the 4 bars, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's a great trade right there. You can wait till the fractal's broken, you can enter right away, it just depends on what you want to do. But this saddle buy right here is confirmation that we are in a leg 2. And we happen to be on a 30-minute time frame. This can be done on any time frame, okay, not just the larger time frames anymore, with the use of the filter. It's very powerful. But that is our leg 2 entry right there. And you can see that easily could have yielded you at the fractal. If you close it, it'd be 36 pips, anywhere between 40 and 36 roughly, somewhere in there. Excellent trade. Okay, so I want to look for another one for you that is going in the short direction so you can get a chance to see what that looks like. Okay, here we're on a different currency pair, the Euro Pound. We see our filter cross, but we don't see the Mayo cross yet, but here we see the Mayo cross. So we've got our confirmation there of leg 1 has taken place. We get a rest. Now this was actually a leg 1 that would have actually yielded something. Roughly, probably safely, good 7 pips. So there's a good 5 pip move in there for someone. We get our rest. It's also another confirmation of leg 2. It has to happen between the 1 and the leg 2. Leg 1, leg 2 have to have a break in between. It doesn't have to necessarily be a big one. It can be just 1 bar long. Okay, but this is also on a 30-minute time frame. But you can see we got our saddle sell right here. Filter cross, 4-bar pattern. This is a leg 2 right here. It's going to unfold to give us some more pips. Currently right now, if you were in it, you'd be up roughly in the 10 pip mark, somewhere in there, roughly 8 to 10 pips. Great trade, great opportunity. So take advantage of this tip. This will help you to get some really good, powerful entries. Using that leg 2 entry, you can maximize your profits very effectively and use it on any time frame. Just as long as you can learn how to recognize the leg 1, wait for the rest, look for that saddle sell, 4-bar pattern, and you're golden.
If you liked what you saw in this example of how this strategy can work for you, it is available. The link is below. If you want to get the complete program, you can get it as well. The links are available, or you can call and ask us questions, or even email us at jed@forexstrategysecrets, or call us at 801-805-0159. We can answer any of your questions there. We look forward to helping you and getting you on the right track with your trading and bringing success your way. Have a wonderful day.